going to be replacing a battery on a Lenovo 100E G3. So you want to flip the unit onto its backside and take the screws out of the bottom cover. Once the screws are loosened, then you can take the bottom cover off. First, you want to unplug the battery and then remove the screws holding it in. And now you can remove the battery. So now you can grab your new battery and place it right back into place. Once it's back into place, then you can put the screws back in to hold it down. And next you can plug the battery back into the motherboard. Then you take your bottom cover and snap it back into place. And then you can tighten the screws back up. So to verify the repair, you can open up the unit and hold in the power button. You may need to use your adapter. If it gets to this screen, then the replacement was successful. And if you can see this battery symbol in the bottom right, then the battery replacement was also successful. So now you can just shut down the unit